Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to install and configure the Google Authenticator module to add two-factor authentication to your website's admin area. Let's dive right in. Log into the admin area of your website. Go to Modules and open the Extensions tab. Enable both Show Inactive and Show Not Installed switches. In the search field, type Authenticator. Locate the Google Authenticator module and click one of the Install buttons. Once the installation page opens, enable the module. In the Settings section, set the module status to True, then click Update to save the configuration. The module is now installed and activated. Next, log into the admin area again. After signing in, the system will display a QR code for Google Authenticator setup. Open the Google Authenticator application on your mobile device and scan the QR code. Once the QR code is scanned, two-factor authentication will be linked to your admin account. The next time you log into the admin area, the QR code will no longer appear. Instead, you'll be asked to enter the authentication code generated by the Google Authenticator app. That's it. The Google Authenticator module is now configured and helping secure access to your website's admin area. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more technical tutorials. See you in the next one.